is right. Chasing stars and holding.
There are new options for the 2024 Tundra's external design and off-road capabilities. The Tundra now offers a Nightshade package to enhance its look and feel. On Platinum Grade 4x4 vehicles, the well-liked TRD Off-Road Package and the TRD 3-inch suspension lift kit are now offered as factory-installed options. The uncomplicated interior design and general use of the Tundra create a more profound effect. The full-size Tundra is less scary to pilot thanks to its strategic driving position and easily readable instruments and graphs. The CrewMax version of the Tundra, like all full-size trucks, provides enough of room for all passengers. The latest Tundra has potential. When outfitted correctly, its base V6 engine and CrewMax 4WD configuration led it to pull 11,120 pounds. Although the Tundra's maximum towing and hauling capacity aren't the best in its class, they are more than adequate for the majority of truck owners' needs. Beds made of reinforced composite are typical.
On top of the world. So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep